we are on the Bluehost website. I'll have a link for this in the description down below so you can get this discounted price. Okay, instead of $7.99 per month, you're gonna get a cost starting at only $3.95 per month. So the first thing you'll notice right here is that just says you get free domain name registration, free SSL certificate included, a one-click WordPress install, and 24/7 support. So guys, my personal experience with all of this, it is completely true. Alright, the 24/7 support is insane. Okay, it's really good. No matter what problems I've had or whatever time it has been. Okay, I'm in Thailand, so I'm on very different time zones to where Bluehost are, right? So, but I've had no problems whatsoever in contacting whenever I need help. Okay, they get back to me very fast, and they're always very helpful. And the free domain, yes, they do actually give you a free domain. You'll see that later on in this video. Okay, so if you want to follow along with me, guys, like I said, just click this link in the description down below, get taken to this website, and you can see this price, and you can follow along with me and have a look at the website yourself if you want. So let's click get started, and I'll show you the different plans that they have with Bluehost. One thing that I forgot to mention as well, guys, is they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, you can read more about that right here. Okay, so it says if you cancel within 30 days, you receive a full refund on your hosting service only. The money-back guarantee does not apply to most add-on products such as domains, given the unique nature of their costs. Okay, so if you do sign up to Bluehost and you decide you don't like it, they can give you the money back on the actual hosting service itself. So if you're not happy with it, if you decide Bluehost isn't for you, you will have 30 days to cancel. But I'm sure you will be happy with this, guys. If you sign up, I've never had any problems with Bluehost, to be honest. So I'm sure you won't even need that, but it's available to you if you feel so. So let's just take a look at the plans quickly that they offer. So just click this button right here, get started. We will see all the different plans that Bluehost can offer us. So they've got the basic plan, plus plan, choice plus plan, and if you scroll down here, they've got a pro plan as well. Okay, so the prices, as you can see, they are very competitive with every single other web hosting platform out there. So the basic package starts at $3.95 per month, and it goes all the way up to $13.95 per month. So don't forget, guys, click the link in the description down below if you want to get these discounted prices. Okay, you can see the normal prices is $7.99 per month for this one and $23.99 per month. So if you click the link in the description down below, you can get the best current discount available. So I'm not going to go over too much detail about these, guys, but you just need to know that obviously the basic plan is for newbies who are just starting out creating a website. So if you are just trying this out, okay, just want to see if a website is for you, then maybe you can go with this one. Okay, you'll only get one website with this. But if you think you're going to stick with this and you're going to build more than one website, then I would highly recommend going with one of the other options, because you will get unlimited with these. So you can come to the website, guys, check out which one was going to suit your needs. Okay, you can read through all of these. If you don't understand what anything is, just have a little Google, guys, search up what it is. If you don't understand anything at all of these different terms right here, just have a Google, or you can leave a comment in the description, comment down below underneath this video, guys, and I will get back to you as soon as I can to give you some help. Okay, but yeah, choose whatever package you think was going to suit you best. So once you've decided on your plan, guys, okay, whichever one you choose, just click on it and click select, and this is where you're going to be able to choose your domain. Okay, this is very easy to do. It takes no time at all. So for this example, I'm just going to put chooseyourdomainhere.com. So you can put any domain that you want, if it's available, of course, and then you can choose if you want .com, .blog, .net, .org, whatever you want, just choose it there. I would always recommend .com, that's the most popular one. So just click next. If you already have a domain, you can put it in here as well if you quote a domain somewhere else, you know. So this is where you're going to be going to your checkout. I just want to show you quickly all of the extras that they have down here as well. Okay, so down here, look, domain privacy protection, that is free with this plan. You get that for free. Site lock security, that is going to be an extra $1.99 per month. Okay, you can choose if you want this or not. Okay, just tick it on or off if you want that. Code Guard Basic, that is free with this plan. Bluehost SEO Tools Start, if you want that, again, you're going to have to tick this. It's going to be an extra $1.99 per month. So the only one gripe, this is probably the only thing that I don't like about Bluehost, and it's the one thing that turns a lot of people off. That is, you can't pay every single month. Okay, you have to pay a year in advance. Alright, so like I said, guys, if you want to pay for 12 months at a time, it's going to be $7.95. 24 months is $745. It gets cheaper the more you pay, okay? But I would always recommend going with this one, like the 36-month plan, okay? But just because you get that cheaper price, so it's going to be the cheapest price available to you. And honestly, guys, it keeps you motivated, okay? If you've got this domain, if you've got this web hosting for 3 years, that's going to keep you motivated to keep using it and not waste your money. That is how I feel about it anyway, guys. So it's entirely up to you, but yeah, I like it. I go with the 36-month plan usually. Like I said, just because it gives you that cheapest price possible. Plus, it keeps you motivated to stick with your website and keep building it, okay? So there we go, guys. That is how you choose your plan and all the added extras as well. Let's quickly go over the speeds, because that is one of the most important things when it comes to web hosting, is the speeds. How fast will it make your website? Well, Bluehost has no problems with this whatsoever, okay? I've just used a website, one of the websites that I made for a tutorial video a while back, okay? So I've just used this one for this example. And look at the speeds, guys. This website, it checks the speeds of your website. And it gives us a 94% rating for our speed. And if you hover over this arrow right here, the average page speed score is 72%. So as you can see, guys, this is 22% faster than the average web host, okay? So Bluehost, very, very fast speeds. Again, this is 95% and compared to the average of 70%, that's 25% faster. The fully loaded time was 1.9 seconds, okay? It took only 1.9 seconds to load the website entirely compared to the average of 6.9 seconds. That's a huge difference. Waiting 4 extra seconds, basically, guys, 5 extra seconds, sorry, for your website to load, it does feel like quite long, okay? It's a noticeable difference right there. So as you can see, Bluehost has no speeds whatsoever. And the server is in Vancouver as well, and I'm in Thailand, so it's very, very far away. So as you can see, there's no problems with speeds wherever you are. One major advantage that I think that you need to know, guys, is that it is actually the #1 recommendation for WordPress as well, that you use Bluehost, okay? You can come here. This is on the actual wordpress.org website, and as you can see, their first recommendation is Bluehost. It is a one-click install. Once you go through, okay, once you go onto Bluehost, choose your domain, create your account and everything like that, it is literally one click and your WordPress website will be installed, okay? WordPress will be installed that easy. It is super, super simple to do. It is so quick. You get the free domain with it as well. And if you know anything about WordPress, guys, it is one of the best website building platforms available today. I've actually got videos on my channel showing you how to create a website through WordPress in under 10 minutes, okay? That is using Bluehost. It can all be done. Your website will actually be built and ready to go in less than 10 minutes. I'll have that video linked in the description down below for you, actually, if you are interested in that. But yeah, that is one great advantage to using Bluehost, is that it works fully and is fully compatible with WordPress, which is, yeah, what I recommend you build your websites on anyway. Alright, so overall, guys, with Bluehost, I have had no problems with them whatsoever. Okay, their uptime has been insane, okay? I've never had a problem with uptime at all, okay? I think they guarantee like 99% uptime, but for me, personally, I've never had a problem. It's been 100% since I've been with them, and that has been a long time. And I've got a lot of websites built through Bluehost as well, okay? And like I said at the start of this video, their 24/7 support is really, really good as well. They get back to you as fast as they possibly can, and that is fast, guys, okay? They do not mess around. They get back to you very, very quickly. Like I said, I'm in Thailand, okay, which is, you know, out of their time zone, but they still get back to me very quickly because it is 24/7. Their one-click WordPress install is super, super simple. It's easy to use, okay? It's literally one click and WordPress will be installed and you can have your website up and running in less than 10 minutes. It is that easy, guys. So that is my Bluehost review. I would highly recommend it to anyone looking to start a website, create their first website, or even to switch over from another web host that you're not happy with. Bluehost is highly recommended from me. So if you're interested, guys, like I said, link will be in the description down below for this. Alright then guys, so here we are on the Siteground website, and as you can see, they've got you covered for any type of website that you need, okay? A business website, a WordPress website, a WooCommerce website, absolutely anything that you need, Siteground will have you covered, okay? And their prices are competitive with every single other web hosting platform out there, okay? So they're all around the same price. They might vary $1 or $2, but it's not a big deal because that works out to like a few cents per day. So most of you guys are probably going to be using WordPress for your websites. That's what I use for most of my websites because it's so easy to use. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on in this video, alright? So let's click on this right here. You can see it says manage your WordPress sites easily and with more freedom. And that is true, guys, okay? So WordPress actually recommends Siteground. If you go to the WordPress website right here, these are their recommended web hosting platforms, okay? So we've got Siteground right here. I've done a review on Bluehost in the past. I've actually recommended this one as well, but Siteground is another one that I recommend just because it works very, very well with WordPress. So if you're trying to create a WordPress website or blog, they will have you covered, alright? It works 100%, it's 100% compatible, and it's very easy to use with just a few clicks to install it. So let's go back to the Siteground website. We'll click on here and I'll show you the different prices and the different plans that you can go with Siteground, alright? So I'm not going to go into too much detail about these different plans, guys, okay? Just need to know that the startup one is obviously for people who are just starting up, just wanted to create their first website, because this one is $3.95 per month. It is the cheapest one, obviously, but you're only going to get one website with that, okay? You're going to be very, very limited with this startup package. But if you just want to create your first website, then this one will be fine for you, okay? But otherwise, guys, I would go with either the Grow Big plan or the Go Geek plan, okay? Each one just gives you more and more features. You can come onto the website and check out all the different features. If you don't know what any of them are, just Google them, or you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you explaining what that feature actually will do for you. But the prices, as you can see, very, very competitive with every single other web hosting platform out there. You're not going to get much cheaper than this, guys, and if you do, yeah, you're going to lose out on speeds and stuff like that, okay? So the prices are great. The actual plans themselves, you get all the features that you will need, basically, guys. And as you can see, they basically got you covered for your monthly visits. This is how much traffic you can get to the websites. 25,000, that's a lot of traffic. I don't expect you to get to that amount of traffic anytime soon. I hope you do in the future, but it'll probably take you a little while, guys, okay? So any of these packages will probably be good for you. Entirely up to you which one you choose. Click the link in the description, come to here, have a look through them, decide which one is going to be best for you. Alright guys, so let's click on one of these packages. Okay, let's just click on the Grow Big package because that's in the middle, it's the best selling one. So let's just click on this and I'll show you that you don't actually get a free domain with Siteground. Some web hosting platforms such as Bluehost, which I've done a review on, if you want to check that out, I'll have a link for that in the description down below for you guys, okay? That'll help you decide between Siteground and Bluehost. But yeah, Bluehost actually give you a free domain. Siteground do not, okay? They do not give you a free domain. So this is going to cost you an extra around $16 per year if you decide to get your domain with Siteground. You can buy your domain elsewhere, okay? If you already have a domain, then just click this button right here, and that's going to take away that $16 per year. But it's entirely up to you. If you have a domain, or if you don't have a domain, you can buy it on here, or you can buy it on a third-party website. But yeah, just want to show you that. You can choose any of these. Look, there's all sorts of different ones. .com, .net, these are the popular ones, obviously. And they've got all these new ones right here. .pro, .plumbing, anything that you might need. You can get any sort of domain with Siteground, but it is not free. So one thing that's very, very important for Siteground are their speeds, okay? They focus on getting their speeds as fast as possible, okay? So if you come over to here on their technology tab right here and click on speed, you can read all about their technology that they have to make their speeds very, very fast. But the main thing is they have SSD drives on all plans. So they got solid state drives on every single plan, even their cheapest one. So you don't have to worry about speeds. Whatever plan you choose, they are fair with everyone with this. And I can say, personally guys, I've had no problems with speeds whatsoever. If you come over to here on GT Metrics, this website will check your speeds for you on your website. My website is a blog website at digitalmillionaireReviews.com, okay? But this website is very, very big, guys. I've got hundreds of reviews on here, each with a lot of pictures and a lot of YouTube videos embedded as well. So these speeds that I'm getting, they are they're probably lower than what you'll get, okay? If you're just starting out and building a smaller website, you're gonna get a lot quicker speeds. But mine is still pretty fast, considering how big my website is. Like I said, it's got hundreds of different pages on there, all sorts of reviews and images. I'm still getting 3.2 seconds for a fully loaded time, okay? And I'm getting a B, which is 80%. And if you compare it to the average, that's 72%, then I'm getting a lot faster speeds than the average website, which is great. And that is all thanks to Siteground, okay? But these speeds could even be made faster, guys. If you look down here, this is just my fault. When I first started making my website, I didn't know about like optimizing my images, compressing them and stuff like that, and I still haven't even got around to doing it today just because I've been lazy, to be honest, guys. So if I did that, my speeds would be greatly increased, okay? They'd be a lot faster. As you can see here, 48% reduction. If I was to optimize my images, compress them all, I would get 48% speed reduction, so it'd be a lot faster. That's what's lowering it. Right now it's at 80%. If I was to optimize it, compress the images, this would probably be 90+% because the speeds on Siteground are very, very fast. But I've honestly had no problems whatsoever. I've had no complaints. 3.2 seconds is still very, very fast, even though my website is not optimized with the images. Another important factor when it comes to choosing some web hosting is the uptime, okay? So if we go over to technology again, and you can see right here, uptime, 99.9% uptime. They say it's guaranteed, okay? And I believe them because I've had no problems whatsoever in the whole time I've been with Siteground, which is quite long by now. I've had no problems with uptime whatsoever. It's been 100% for me since I've been with them. So this 99.99%, it's pretty much 100%, guys. They just didn't put that, the 0.01 just because they want to, if it does ever go down, they won't have any problems for themselves right there. If they guaranteed 100% and it went down for like 30 minutes, they'd have a lot of problems. So yeah, but I have never ever had any downtime. It's been up and running my websites constantly, guys. Okay, so I think I've gone over everything that you could possibly need to know. Okay, the speeds are fantastic. The uptime is pretty much 100%. I've never had any problems. The support that they give you, the 24/7 custom support, is great as well. They are very fast at replying no matter what time of day it is. Like I said, I'm in Thailand. I'm in a completely different time zone to them, and they still got back to me pretty much within a few minutes every single time I've needed any help. And it works fantastic with WordPress. If you are trying to create a WordPress website, this is going to work perfectly for you. It is actually recommended by WordPress themselves. It has full compatibility. You should have no problems, okay? So, all great reasons to start a website and get your web hosting with Siteground, okay? If you have any questions whatsoever, I will be glad to help you. Just leave a comment down below, okay? And guys, if you are looking to build a website, I'm guessing you are. If you're looking at this Siteground review, then you're probably looking to build a website. I've actually got a video on my channel, okay, which shows you how to create a website in under 10 minutes, okay? It's very, very easy to do. So go to that video right now, okay? I'll have that link in the description down below. If you want to make a website, watch that. You can get your website up and running in less than 10 minutes.